I was brought up in China during the Cultural Revolution when we had absolutely nothing. When you want to be creative, you have to start making everything. And there is an old Chinese saying, is knowledge is the golden house. To us, learning is play. First came to Australia, it was 1994, to do a master's degree in politics and public policy. I fell into quilting accidentally. I saw this book, Quilting. I didn't realize it was quilting. I thought it was quitting. I thought, what does that mean? So I picked up the book, had a look, and I was drawn into it straight away. And so I never looked back ever since. So I started making quilt by hand. There was so much pain involved, pricking fingers and all sorts of pains. So I made my own thimble, a different type of thimble. This thimble actually holds needle by itself, rather than holding needle with other fingers. This is a revolutionary concept. Very soon, quilters started to talk about it. That's how I actually get the thimble lady's name, because my name, Liu Xin, is so impossible to pronounce. People behind me started to call me the thimble lady. So I started teaching and selling my thimbles. Then Australian magazine started to introduce me, and quilters from America read the magazine and then started to contact me, and then Simply Quilt's American TV program asked me to introduce my technique on their program. That's a sign of the need of the market that's crying for such a product. Very quickly, my physical teaching can no longer meet the demands, and people ask me to write it down and to publish a video so they can learn without me being there. And then I made a video, and then I started writing the book about the technique and explaining it. So that's how, and it's in its 4th edition already since 2003. And it has been sold to, well, all the English-speaking countries and Europe where there were quilters. People ask me if I would have been as creative if I was still in China. I think I would still be creative as a person, but as always, but I probably wouldn't be able to make a good, successful business out of a thimble. The reason is Australia society, a society like Australia has upholds rule of law and respect intellectual property, which is the base of my success. It's so important. These really guaranteed people start from scratch to succeed. So that's how I see my success.